So the place I've brought us to today is the lovely area in Bolton called Barrow Bridge. And just as you get into the countryside, along the country lane there is a few rows of cottages, and these were built for the workers back in the day, and they are really, really pretty. There's a river that runs at the bottom of them, and for each cottage it has a little bridge over the river to the cottages themselves. So we'll have a closer look at them. So it's another rainy day with dark grey moody skies, which I quite like. Yeah, there's something nice about it, especially watching the birds fly against them grey clouds. They don't seem to mind, do they? So Barrow Bridge is quite famous for its 63 steps. I'm going to see if I can make it to the top today without stopping. Right. Can I make it to the top without stopping? Let's find out. So if I went to the left, that would take us all the way up to Scout Road, and it's a beautiful view normally, but with it raining and being quite misty, sadly we're not going to see the view I'd like to show you. So I think we're going to do a detour and we're going to go down to the river. It's going to be a short walk today. Right, let's manoeuvre these steps. Sorry folks, it's so muddy, I've got to come down one step at a time. You know what, I'm going to take this path. It's a lot easier on the knees. Oh, it's a bit slippier. Oh, do you know what I haven't brought today? One of my lovely subscribers mentioned taking a walking stick, you know, when it's muddy and steep, which is great, and I've been using that, but I forgot it. So I've managed to move further down right near the water. So I think we should have a moment and really appreciate and enjoy the sight and the sound of this. So just a tiny short little rainy walk today. Yeah, just a little short one. Anyway, I shall see you on the next one.